sweatered in snow, silent to remain. When the bugle calls, they shall rise and march again. A very warm good morning to all of you. With this in our head that the soldiers are up there performing their duty, be it 3 in the sunny afternoon or 3 in the frosty cold night, we can peacefully do our course or go for a sound sleep. For all these and for other innumerable gratitude that I feel within me, I would like to give a grand salute to all these fighters serving our nation. My heart is filled with respect and love, and my eyes get moist for the splendid brave deeds of the soldiers and their sacrifices. You must be aware of the fact that our country, India, in the whole world, has the second largest Indian military force. These armed forces include the Indian Air Force, which is aerial warfare, and the airspace, the army, that is the inland bases, and the Indian Coast Guards, which are the Indian Navy. So today, I, Vaishnavi, on the behalf of Tagore International Senior Secondary School, is going to present a poem, The Brave Hearts of India, to dedicate our great soldiers. Brave are they despite the menace, the wars and ways with faith they face. Death is not a fear for them, for protecting the motherland is their only aim. Unsung heroes though some may be, their sacrifice cannot go vainly. The great service that they render is eternally applauded throughout the ages. In a world full of terror, their work is a source that gives birth at our homes to a peaceful course, allowing us to breathe the air of safety. Indifferent to hardships, they do their duty. Had they not been what they are till now, our great motherland would have ruined you and me. If shackled by war's treacherous bounds, we would never be free. And thus, to God, my prayer remains. Thank you, Lord, for such courageous soldiers who protect our freedom with so much of risk. I only pray that triumph shall they, with valiance, hope, and strength every day. For their martyrdom are lessons of patriotism for me, the devotion they display while swimming in the danger-filled sea makes me believe of the great mettle, my countrymen, with which they battle. Indeed are they the brave soldiers of India. So I would like to thank to all the soldiers who protect us day and night 24 hours. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan.